Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 16 feet 4 inches, in meter 5 meter, and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have 2 feet in meters 0.60 meter wide plantation area, and we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have a living cum dining area. The size of the living cum dining area is 6 feet 10 inches into 12 feet 8 inches in meter 2.08 into 3.86 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have a dining counter here with 4 chairs. After that we'll go on right side. So we have a kitchen area. The size of the kitchen is 7 feet 6 inches into 6 feet 8 inches in meter 2.28 into 2.03 meter. You can see here the burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement, and we have large size window for ventilation of this kitchen. And after that we'll go inside. So we have a bedroom here. Size of the bedroom is 7 feet 6 inches into 9 feet in meter 2.28 into 2.74 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also a study table with chair, and we have 2 large size window for ventilation of this room. And we have a common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 7 feet 10 inches into 4 feet 4 inches in meter 2.38 into 1.32 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and also shower area. Here you can see the water closet and the shower area both are separate, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.